Hello everyone, this is our channel Shortcut to Pass MU, and now today we are putting our first video on production process. As you guys know, the production process is an easy subject that it is a theory subject that makes it too easy to pass in the exam. But guys, do remember that theory, not everyone gets passed in theory subject also. So we are putting a list of important questions for PP1, that is production process 1. So the chapter 1 contains pattern allowance, types of pattern, types of course, and centrifugal casting. The chapter 1 contains the basics, and there sometimes the four important questions. These are important questions for exam point of view. It doesn't mean that only this question will come. Do read every chapter properly, but lay more emphasis on these questions. Okay, so the first chapter contains four questions, important question. The second chapter contains comparison between open die and closed die forging, and comparison between press forging and hammer forging. Okay, so chapter 2 contains two important theory questions on open die, closed die, and press forging and hammer forging. The chapter 3 is the biggest chapter of the PP1, of the subject PP1. The chapter 3 contains classification of welding process, flames, types of flames, submerged arc welding, comparison between TIG and MIG welding process. Remember that this question is a very important question according to exam point of view. Then there comes CO2 welding, resistance welding process, steam welding, frictional welding, weldability, and welding defects. Between 9 and 10, there is one question fixed for your exam which may help you to gain marks in your exam, and at the end there contains comparison between soldering and brazing. So as you guys know, there are not very far difference between soldering and brazing. So do writing practice of these questions for your exam. The next chapter is chapter number 4. The chapter number 4 is powder metallurgy. So the question asked in exam from powder metallurgy are steps in powder metallurgy, powder compacting or pressing, sintering or pressing. The third question is sintering, advantage and disadvantages of powder metallurgy. The fourth chapter contains these four important questions, and the chapter 5. Chapter 5 contains comparison between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, injection molding process. Not a very vast chapter from exam point of view, but do this question properly. It will help you to fetch more marks. Then there comes the fifth question asked in exam from the chapter 6 are what is NDA? Explain any two NDA method, and ultrasonic inspection and radiography. So guys, that if this question comes, you can attempt any type of method for NDA that's, and if you do question properly, ultrasonic and radiography, you can write the answer of this in explain any two NDA methods. So guys, this was our video on production process 1. As we know, this is a third sem subject. So if anyone has KT in production process, do share our video with them so that they can pass in exam. Thank you.